Improving the customer experience starts with prioritizing the signals that matter most and responding in ways that guide customers forward with confidence across both marketing and service. In this video, we'll walk through 4 proven best practices that help you evaluate customer behavior, prioritize meaningful improvements, and make high-impact decisions without overcomplicating your strategy. Before we get started, if you're finding this video helpful, be sure to click like and subscribe for more content like this. All right, let's get going. Best practice number 1, treat favorites as a decision signal. When a shopper adds a product to favorites, don't just think of them as saving it for later. They're actively deciding whether to buy it or not. Favoriting often signals comparison, hesitation, or a need for reassurance. So the question shouldn't be whether to follow up, but how. High-performing teams use favorites as a moment to nudge the shopper forward. They respond with timely, focused follow-ups that reinforce value, answer common concerns, and make it easy to return to the product when they're ready. They support the decision process rather than rushing it. Handled well, this can keep momentum moving in the right direction. Best practice number 2, use login behavior to assess lifetime value. Account creation on its own doesn't tell the full story. What matters is what customers do after they log in. More experienced teams look at login behavior as an indicator of lifetime value. They look out for actions that correlate with repeat purchases, deeper engagement, and long-term retention. Instead of only optimizing for signups, focus on making logged-in experiences genuinely useful, and let post-login behavior guide where you invest next. Prioritize experiences for customers who return and engage after logging in, but don't immediately convert, whether that's personalized content or proactive nudges. Best practice number 3, turn conversations into a growth signal. Customer conversations are one of the clearest expressions of intent, especially before a purchase. Focus on what customers are trying to decide in that moment. Questions about fit, pricing, timing, or reassurance often signal hesitation or readiness to buy. Use these signals to guide real-time responses, recommendations, or follow-ups that help customers move forward with confidence. The goal is not just to resolve questions, but to support better decisions while they're happening. And finally, best practice number 4, prioritize signals based on business impact, so you can focus your efforts where they matter most. Not every customer signal deserves the same level of attention. Focus on signals that indicate high purchase intent, hesitation, or risk of churn, and prioritize actions that move customers forward. Use service interactions alongside behavioral and marketing data to decide where proactive outreach, guidance, or reassurance will have the greatest impact on conversion and retention. Remember, it's not enough to show up only when your customers need help. To keep your marketing service flywheel spinning, you need to be present where your customers need you most, using context and personalization to deliver the consistent, high-quality service they expect and deserve. That is how you use Klaviyo's K service tools to upgrade your customer experience. If you found this video helpful, be sure to click like and subscribe, and check out the description for more content like this to help you learn and grow with Klaviyo.